Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart at Jefferson Elementary School here in Wyandotte, Michigan. And it was just a great day, my first time in Wyandotte Public Schools. And the main focus was on bullying, but more importantly, looking at someone's heart first. And I love that they have these banners here in the cafeteria. That's where I, after my 2 assemblies, got to have lunch with all the students, get to talk to them one-on-one. They could share their heart with me, and a lot of them shared so many things that they've been through or going through, but they're still choosing greatness, they're still choosing kindness no matter what. But the poster right here is saying, strong people stand up for themselves, stronger people stand up for others. And so a big part of what we talked about today is that we can let peace, love, respect, kindness, empathy, compassion fully enter our hearts as big as our fist and turn this into this, right? That one finger is yourself and the other is someone that we're trying to lift up higher than ourselves by how we choose to treat that person. That's standing up for someone else, right? And the whole idea is that when we know that our actions in just 2 seconds, one heartbeat, one breath, one word, one action, 2 seconds can potentially positively or negatively affect somebody forever, we know that we have to be all in for this planet and continue to show that love to everybody around us. We can always choose love, we can always show kindness, we can turn the hurt people who hurt people into healed people who heal people. And those are both choices, right? To not only see someone for their heart first, but also for this too. Everyone, and I showed this to everybody, has the M on their hand. With the lines of their hand, I traced one of mine here, upside down W. And like the shirt says here, M stands for miracle, W for worthy, but also for Wyandotte, Michigan. Just kidding. But in all seriousness, it's something that we have to know our worth, we have to see our value, and then once we do, go out into this world and help someone else see their value as well, help them see that they're a miracle, be the light to their hearts, and we can do that, and the need is beyond there, right? So many students, it was such an inspiration, they wrote me letters and gave me bracelets that said that I touched their heart. That's where I get all these from, students that said that I really did touch their heart. And so knowing that they really got the message, that it hit home to their heart, that was huge, because now they can go share that gift with someone else. But a lot of them are starting their own kindness clubs here, the Peace and Kindness Club, the Jaguar Club, Jefferson Club, whatever they want to call it. They all have an opportunity to make a difference at a young age. And that's what we really talked about, is that we need to make a difference, that this earth needs us, that needs more love, needs more peace. So it was beautiful getting to share my heart today. You guys touched my heart. Keep inspiring everyone here in this community and beyond. You guys will make a huge impact. Believe that, and never forget that you guys are true miracles. As always, make sure to subscribe by hitting the link that you'll see pop up on the screen here. Hit the notification bell to get future updates like this video that'll be on the channel in the future. And if you want to follow my journey across this country, check out my website. You'll see the link here too, mrpeace.org. See my journey across America as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time, and check out the other playlists for some amazing clips too. Much love. Peace.